Hi! This channel is called Gothic Ginger because I'm a redhead who likes spooky stuff and I am so creative with names. Today I'm going to show you 5 different things that you can do to turn just a black dress into a Halloween costume. To start out, I just want to show you the dress I'm working with here. You can use any black dress. I tried to get one that was sort of bodycon, longer than some of the dresses I own. It's not flaring, just kind of plain. You can use any dress for the costumes I'm about to show you. I own a lot of black dresses. I tried to find one that more people might have, or might have something similar to. Also, sorry about the lighting. Yes. By the way, I am very awkward doing these things. I am not the best YouTuber, but I'm gonna try, okay? I'm gonna try.
So this first one is sort of an old-timey Hollywood movie star. I added this black shawl, some rings, and a big necklace with fake pearls. I've got some tassels on the dress, and I imagine pairing this with heels and a nice purse. The next costume I've got is a demon. I added a corset-style belt, a pentagram necklace, a big chunky choker, and some black horns. They're attached with an elastic that goes around my head, so I covered it with my hair. Add stompy platform boots, or combat boots for the full effect. I don't know, I think it looks pretty good. This one's just a witch. Pretty lazy. All I did was add a hat. You can get a better hat though. Another kind of lazy one. This is a skeleton. I just added a necklace, some skeleton gloves, and some skeleton leggings. I've got a lot of bone stuff. This one's easier to do if you already own these things, but it kind of works. This is a half-assed death cosplay from Sandman. I added the little swirly makeup bit with eyeliner and a necklace, but I think this would look better with a wig.
Just imagine for a second that this is an actually nice black wig. Um, it's not, but just, picture it for a moment. 'Cause this was like a few dollars. Not ideal, but you get the vibe.
I just want to say, I know this wasn't the most well executed option, but I think with the right wig, this could be a solid cosplay. You can also do it with other outfits that she's worn, but this is a pretty budget friendly one, I would say.
Alright, well, that was kind of all I had thought of at this point. I'm sure I could do a better job if I wasn't trying to do this within like the half-hour time frame where there's no one in the house. That was kind of what I came up with on the spot. I know everything required you having extra accessories and stuff. Maybe I'll try to do one where all you're changing is makeup. I think that would take a really long time to film because I'd have to keep taking things off. I know my makeup didn't really match a lot of the costumes. That's a whole other story. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I hope that helped give you a few ideas of ways that you can make a costume fairly easily without having to buy an actual piece of clothing to make that costume. I am going to try to make a last minute costume ideas series and one with maybe some more in-depth costumes where I'm actually putting effort into them. But yeah, if you liked this video, feel free to subscribe. I don't know if you'd want to because the quality is rather than here more like boom into the floor, but that might improve in time. Feel free to give me some constructive criticism in the comments section below, and have a great day!